In the morning, pop shells for a living and berry gon' smell blood trail every minute road wave and you niggas no fair. When I hit them every time I see it big, I don't hesitate to kill them. Ain't nobody give a fuck about a rule. Either get diplomas of a tool, I'm a cool with my youngest no boo. When I spring in this cage, you fuckers fucking gang affiliated with nothing but my name. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking dough. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking dough. Yeah. People be starving and people be killing for food with that crack and that spoon. But these rich motherfuckers, they stay eating good, dropping waste, living good. Holding stick locks, but you been a bitch. Suck a thick cock, fuck a grip walk, hit a strip like in Bangkok. Never ever see me ever trip, but I live right. See me on the TV screaming, bitch, you a damn fraud. And you don't wanna fuck with a chick like me. When I pull up in that Maserati, better duck for your brain splatter on the concrete. I'ma hit you with that 4-5 bullet, hit your neck, run the bow tie.